Hello Ate She at Kuya Dennis. Ate Cheryl, happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng maraming blessing at saka good health para maalagaan mo si Kuya Dennis. Mag-iingat kayo parati dyan at enjoy mo yung araw na ito. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless.
Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo, may all your prayers and wishes come true. God bless! Bye!
Happy birthday, Cheryl. Wish you more good health and happiness. From the three of us, me, Janelle, Melissa, and Joyce Ann, always remember, we love you always. Take care, Neneng. Yun.
Happy birthday, Cheryl. May you have more birthday and more blessing to come. And I wish you stay as sweet as you are. I have been a very thoughtful friend as well. And I know that you'll be a blessing to everyone that you surround with. Thank you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I wish you good health, more blessings. And syempre, thank you for taking care of our kuya. And thank you for being our ate. And for being with us also. Kahit hindi naman tayo lang yung nagkikita, but if there are struggles in every every individual in the Malabon babies, you're both there for all of us. And I wish you all the best. At saka stay healthy lagi, palakas ka. At kailangan ka nila kuya at mga kids. Love you, ate. God bless you.
Hi, Tita Cheryl. Happy birthday. Hope you can come to Canada. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Cheryl. Happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day. Stay healthy and more blessings and ingat kayo parati ni Dennis dyan. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Cheryl. Happy birthday, Nina Cheryl. I hope you have fun today on your great day and your birthday. Stay safe always.
Okay, we're on our way to work and school. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday.
Golden girl na ba? Alam ko mauuna ka sa amin eh. I just wish you good health and happiness. Happiness para sa sarili mo and para sa family mo. Namimiss ko na yung banding natin with Tina and Kirby. Sana magkita-kita ulit tayo. I miss you. Happy birthday. God bless always.
Hello, Sis Cheryl. Na-surprise ka ba? So, I know this is your big day. This is your moment. And I want to greet you a happy birthday. I know life is tough, but in the presence of God and God's grace, we're still here. So keep fighting. I like it. God bless and enjoy your day, and take care always with your family. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happiest birthday, Mama. It's been a long time na nagkausap tayo and maybe nakikama ako nagsasalita right now. Pero I'm just happy na I'm greeting you in this video. Thank you for everything, Mama. I will always treasure our memories together. Hopefully, sana talaga matuloy na we can see each other with the kids pag medyo malaki na po si Mark. I just pray for all the desires of your heart and for your family. Good health to you and Kuya Dennis and the kids. Alam ko, your family is everything to you. And I'm really grateful that I've known you, Mama. So just enjoy your day. God bless and happiest birthday again. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Cheryl. Happy birthday, Tita Cheryl.
Hi, Ate She. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday to the best cousin in the whole world. Thank you. And God bless.
Hi, Ate She. Well, birthday mo naman. Happy na birthday pa. Sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. Thank you so much for taking care of Lolo Dennis. And sana lahat ng wish mo matupad. I hope to see you soon. I miss you and I love you.
Hello, Ate She. I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. I really admire you because you're a really strong woman. Your dedication, love, and support to your family is immeasurable. You are Kuya and the kids' strength, and may you continue to be that for them. And wishing you more candles to blow, and that may our Almighty Father bless you more abundantly in your family. I miss you all so much, and I am hoping that I can all see you soon. Keep safe always, and I love you all. Happy birthday once again, Ate. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Cheryl. I love you.
Happy birthday!
Maligayang bati, Cheryl. And more years to come.
Hi, Cheryl.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to my ex-fellow security banker. Do you still remember the days na mag-i-sleep over ka sa bahay pag tayo ay gigimik? Ang tagal na nun, but we're still friends. I'm happy to say na meron ng social media that we can still communicate kahit minsan, kahit madalang sa patak ng ulan. But you and your family are always included in my daily prayers. Again, She, have a blessed and happy, healthy birthday to you. God bless.
Hello, good morning to Kuya Dennis. Good morning, Ate Cheryl. And Ate Cheryl, on behalf of Eric and Chloe, I would like to extend my birthday wishes for you. Sabi ni Mama, you are already 49 years old. Just a year junior sa aking ate na nag-celebrate ng kanyang 50th birthday. And my wish for you, Ate Cheryl, is that may God continue to shower you His infinite blessings, and also sana God continue to bless you also with His wisdom, and may your growing life, continuous life, be fulfilled always with God's wisdom and love. And we thank you for always taking care of Kuya Dennis. Kahit na kayong dalawa ay malayo dito sa Pilipinas, we always feel your presence. And sana po ba in the future, we are going to see each other and let's bond, hindi po ba? So, mas marami pang future tayo nilook forward to. And thank you so much for being my ate also. And sana mag-meet mo rin si Chloe na malaki-laki na at makulit na rin po. And thank you so much for everything, Ate Cheryl. And may God bless you abundantly and profusely. Bye po, and thank you.
Yan na? Hi, Cheryl. Happy 49th birthday sa'yo. Hangad ko ang pagkakaroon mo ng the best of everything, lalo na yung kalusugan mo. Maraming salamat sa matyaga mong pag-aalaga kay Dennis at sana ay huwag kang magsawa na alagaan siya. Very good din ang mga bata. Congratulations sa kanila at siyempre sa inyo bilang mga parents niya, proud parents, at kay Maring Rhoda sa untiring effort at support ninyong lahat na kahit na malayo kayo ay nahandoon siya para gumabay sa mga bata. Sana manatili, ma-maintain nila ang kanilang pagiging honor students. Proud mama here, mamo here. Kaya hangad ko na magkita-kita tayo in the future para makapag-bonding naman tayo nang hindi online lang. Again, happy birthday, Cheryl.
Happy birthday, Cheryl.
Hello po, good morning. Good morning, ate. Happy birthday, Tita Cheryl. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Di ka na dito. Dali. May sakit si Dre. Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Stay beautiful, Tita. And more birthdays to come. Yay! God bless po. Bye-bye na. Bye! Ang init dito. Bye! Bye! One more.
Mommy, happy birthday.
What is that?
A birthday card.
Okay, open mo. Sorry. Wow, that's nice. Ang galing mo na mag-drawing.
Tapos pa dito.
Wow, matutuwa si mommy niyan. Ang galing. Okay. Very good, ate. Super nice.
Bye.
Birthday, Cheryl. Eto na yung mga regalo namin sa iyo. Ayan, si Sofia with honors. Hello, Sofia. Anong greet mo kay mami mo?
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Katipid. Eto naman si Anika, still in the honor roll. Anong birthday greetings mo kay mami?
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Masaya, malungkot?
Masaya.
Masaya, malungkot?
Masaya.
O, eto naman si kay Anisa. Si mami, they did their best. Yan ang kanilang regalo sa iyong kaarawan. Tomorrow. So, we wish you a very happy birthday. And we wish you continuous good health. Ano pang wish natin kay mami?
I wish you to be a How about me? I wish you to have good health.
Ano pa po?
And grow up fast.
And?
Healthy.
Remain healthy, Mami, kanyo. Aside from their certificates, they have prepared a nice birthday card, especially for you. Who wants to explain the card first?
Me.
Okay. O, ate, turn on the fan na, ate.
This is my birthday card.
Okay.
You just say happy birthday.
Oh, you may want to be happy.
From here. This is
louder, louder. Mommy cannot hear you.
This is black pink. This is black pink stickers. I mean, that is the butterfly. And this the butterflies here. And the diamond in the butterflies, I think. Like what stickers right here?
Speak louder, kasi Mommy cannot hear you.
It says there, Mom, I wish you to come with me and I want you to play with me. And are you coming with me and my sister? And I want you to love me and my sisters. It says full here. And I
To love you always, ang ibig niya sabihin doon.
It says, I love you, Mom. Yeah, it says full in here. It's a heart in here. There's a pusa.
Okay. What else?
And there's Mommy and me. And this the ibon. I think it's araw. It was clouds name, I have that. And this the flower, this the pot, the leaf. Inside here it says love. In here. This the trophy.
Oh, are you done with your card?
Up.
She doesn't want to show kanina kasi surprise nga daw. She thought you will be coming home tomorrow. O yan, ang kanyang birthday, Mami. Kaya lang, yung happy birthday nila, medyo namali ng sulat yung R at saka I. O, flying kiss na kay Mami. Flying kiss kay Mami. Oh, here's Sophia's card.
Happy birthday, Mommy. This is my card.
And?
The back, you can see. Can you see?
Or explain your card.
Full of butterflies.
Oh,
Just
show
a
Mommy.
decoration. See?
Show Mommy your birthday
It
card.
says happy birthday, Mommy, and the birthday is Malet. R.I. Malet.
si Sophia ang nagturo kay Anika.
I thought tama, but mali pala.
Oo, kasi yung ballpen kasi nagkamali ano. Yung ballpen, di marunong yung ballpen na ginamit kasi. O, yung message mo kay Mami.
What should I message?
Sige na.
Wala ko message dito.
Hindi, ikaw. What would you like to say to Mami?
Happy birthday, Mommy.
And?
I wish you to be healthy.
Okay.
And strong.
Strong and?
God bless you.
Oh, God bless you, Mami. Oh, God bless you, Cheryl. May God bless you more and may God grant your
And
wishes,
I got my melody.
your heart's desires.
My melody.
Oh, happy birthday, Nining. Oh, love you, Nining.
Mimi, bye.
Oh, what will you tell Mommy? Say, I love you,
birthday,
Mommy. I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Mommy. I love you too.
Ano?
I love you,
Naubos-
Mommy.
Happy birthday, Ate Cher. Thank you so much for always being there to support me and love me. But most importantly, thank you so much for just being you. You are such a wonderful person and such a loving mom and a wife. Thank you so much. God bless you, Ate. I love you. Bye-bye.